don't believe everything that you hear. Is every product going to be for every single person? No, it's not. Just because your aunt tried something and she didn't like it doesn't mean that you're not going to like it. And there is so many people out there that are like, well, my grandmother's brother, second cousin, twice removed, said that he just really didn't think that product worked, so I'm going to pass. I'm not even going to try it. Give it a try. Give it a real try. Just like anything in this world, it takes consistency. You need to follow it the way it's supposed to be done. Commit yourself to the 8 weeks. Really give it a chance. And then if it's not for you, you can wholeheartedly say, you know what, I tried it and it's just not for me. Okay, that's not a problem. Not everything's going to be for everyone, but you cannot say something doesn't work or that it's not for you when you don't fully give it a fair chance, honestly.